Welcome back. So this is our second example for graphing system of linear inequality. So the first step is going to be, in case you don't have the steps, I'm reading from those steps here, the step from graphing linear inequality. You can take a picture or you can pause the video and take notes, okay? So let's do this. So what is step one? So step one asks us to solve for y, okay? So for each inequality, you're going to solve for y. So let's do this. So please pause the video and solve for y. Okay, so I solved for y, and this is the inequality that I came up with. Okay, so if you didn't get the same, okay, make sure you follow the steps. Okay, so I think for maybe number two, the second one, remember when you divide, so we want to subtract 4x on both sides, okay? And then you want to divide by -3. Remember, when you divide by negative number or multiply them by a negative number, we need to flip the inequality, okay? That's why I have this inequality flipped. So now, step two, you want to rewrite the inequality as an equation. And the reason is so because it helps us to do the graphing, okay? So let's write as an equation. Let's do step two, rewrite the inequalities as an equation. Okay, so next, step three, what is step three? You're going to graph the line, okay? And make sure for the first line, and for both of them, right, they're going to be dash line. So let me write it to remind myself. So dash, and then dash below. As a reminder, okay, I need to use dash for both. Why? Because there's no line under the inequality. So any other pair on the line will not make the will not be a solution. Okay, will not make the inequalities true. Okay, so next to view the line here, so I have to remind myself that the right is -1, so I have to go down 1, and 3 is positive, so I'm going to go to the right 3 times. And we always start at the y-intercept, which is +2. The second line, because 4 is positive, so I'm going to go up 4, and the run is +3, so I'm going to go to the right. Okay, and where are you going to start? You always start at the y-intercept, which is -3. So let me use the red one so you can see the arrows. So next, you're going to now, you have all the information you need to build a line. So please pause the video and build your line on the X and Y coordinate grid. But I'm going to do one line at a time, okay? Build the first line and shade the solution area. Okay, so I shade my solution region, okay, my solution area for the first line, okay, the first inequality, this one right here, x plus 3y greater than 6. So it's above the line. So I hope you got the same answer. If not, please watch my previous videos, okay, and it definitely help you, okay. Now let me continue. Okay, so let's do equation 2, inequality number 2. So let's build that underline. Please pause the video and do the same, okay? Okay, so I'm done building my second line, okay, my second line. So I need to find the solution area. So I like to use a 0, 0. So I'm just going to do mental math. If my other pair is 0, 0, and I plug 0 into the x and y into the 0 into the y, I get 0 is greater than 9. Can it be true? No, 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 no. So I cannot shade the region where the other pair 0, 0 is. So I have to shade the other side. So right here. Okay, so now we're not done yet because the system, we need to identify the area where both lines overlap. Okay, so can you see where both, the both shade overlap? Okay, can you see where both shade overlap? That's the solution region that we need to highlight. Okay, so can you identify the area, the solution region for the system? So I hope you can tell it's right here. It's not from here, but it cannot be on the line because you have a dash line. It cannot be this. Okay, it cannot be on this line too because you have a dash line. Okay, but the solution can be any other pair in this solution area right here, right here. That's what I'm going to color for you to see. So I hope my video is helpful to you. Okay, So thank you for paying attention and taking notes. Good luck. Okay, bye-bye.